Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing. First, go to Settings. Scroll down and select General. Click on iPhone Storage. From here, go to Instagram. Next, click on Offload App. Click again on the Offload app. Now tap on Reinstall app. Open App Store from the home screen. From here, search for Instagram. Tap to open it and make sure it's updated. Open the Instagram app from the Apps menu. Then click on Profile icon. From the menu at the top, click on Settings. Go to Privacy. Then click on Account Status. Here, enable Show Activity Status. Go to the home page. From here, open Direct Messages. You can see your note feature here. Tap to open it. Enter a note and click on Share. As you can see, your note has been shared. Next, tap on your note. Here, click on Delete Note in order to delete it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.